Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So along with the temperature rise, our ice cream cravings are also on the rise. So let's see how we can draw some cute ice cream designs on the nail. Use some pastel or nude shades for the base coat. The first design is of milkshake, so I will start by drawing the boundary of a long glass. Everyone loves chocolate milkshakes, so I will fill it up with a light brown color. Now it's time to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top of the glass and also as layers inside the milkshake. I will make the boundaries prominent using a black nail polish and a thin brush. Now add a straw to your milkshake using a color of your choice. Here I am decorating the straw, but it is optional. Now add the final touch by pouring chocolate syrup on your milkshake using dark brown color. Design number 2 is a double-layered chocobar with vanilla ice cream inside. I will be making this 3D with bite marks so that the vanilla ice cream is visible. Don't forget to add the stick below and the outline is complete. I am filling the outer layer with chocolate color. Use a cream color for the stick. Color the inner layer white for vanilla. I am again making the boundaries prominent. And here is the finished look. The third design is a tumbler of ice cream. I will again draw the boundary. Fill the tub with the color of your choice. Next, I will add 3 scoops of ice cream, first strawberry, then chocolate and finally vanilla. And yes, put a cherry on top. You can also add an ice cream spoon like this. Now retouch the boundaries and your design is almost complete. The tub looks too plain for me, so I will add a simple design. The fourth and the second last design is an ice lolly that we all love. I am putting 2 indentations for the bite marks, but you can also make the margin entire. I'm sure everyone loves orange ice lollies, so I'm coloring it orange. Again make the borders bold and the design is ready. The fifth and the last design is going to be an ice cream cone, so I will begin by drawing the outline of the cone. I am filling the cone with a light brown nail polish, but you can also use cream color. Now I will put 3 scoops of ice cream here as well. So I'll start with a light yellow color for butterscotch flavor, followed by chocolate and finally strawberry. After making the boundaries prominent, I'll put a cherry on top. Now I am making striations on the wafer cone using a dark brown color. So here is the finished look. After drawing so many ice creams, I really feel like having one now. So please tell me in the comment section down below your views, and also like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.